Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I have a plain glass bottle and in today's video we'll learn how to transform it into a beautiful corner piece. For this we'll be needing black and white acrylic paints. So let's get started. We'll start off with the white paint first. We paint some white stripes on the bottle. I have thought of making a zebra pattern on it. Keep making those beautiful white stripes and just brush it in one flow. You can even make any pattern of your choice. You can be as creative as you like. Guys, we are almost done with the white lines. Now we'll let it dry for some time. It's time for the black paints now. Now we paint some black stripes on this bottle in the same manner as we did with the white paints. Brushing it in one go for a smoother finish. Keep painting. This is again a very relaxing activity. You can do this activity with your kids. As you know, kids, they love to be creative. Let them express themselves in the form of arts and crafts and find more healthy activities for them. Today randomly I just thought of making this white and black pattern on the bottle since I have too many goldens in my house. So now, as you can see, we are almost done with the black and white stripes. We let the paint dry for some time. As you can see, we haven't covered it fully in black and white. We have left some glass patches clean. And here you go. You can see the final look of my beautiful glass bottles. As you can see, I have used artificial plants here and decorated the side corner with some fairy lights. Guys, if you enjoyed watching my video, you need to like my video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.